So listen, folks, I'm outside just I'm playing with my dog Bella and my dog Belle. Day Belle. Guys. Come on, guys. Bella. Come on, girl. As you see, Bella only got one eye. For some reason, I don't know why. You're a good girl, Bella. Good girl. She didn't have a good life like Bear did. She was actually in a puppy mill. If you know what a puppy mill is, you probably know how Bella was treated. She was forced to have puppies. Hey, Belle. I got another dog in South Carolina. I really miss him. You hear that water in the background. We got like a little pond. We got a creek back here. So yeah. Bella. Yeah. Belle, what you got back there? Oh, I think that's a free call. Okay. Hey, boy. So yeah. That's it, folks. And actually, this is the dog house. I'm stepping back some. Two horses. Those are neighbors. As you see, the dog house. I'll show you. I'm seeing it. You see like the water and the food. Like we put it like my dad and stepsister put the water. Put a hay in here. Yeah. There's Bella. Don't know if you can see her. But she's in here. Hey, Bella. So yeah. And we also got like a little garden front here. So yeah. That's it, folks. And